Hi guys, so being January, I wanted to start my YouTube channel properly again, and I wanted to be more consistent than I have been the past years. So I wanted to start this year to actually do a challenge to myself and like be on a healthy diet and trying to exercise more. So right now I'm on a walk. So what I'll try to do is try and walk every day for about an hour and then walk back home. So this would be my first challenge, and then also I'm trying a new diet. It's not I still get to eat whatever I want. It's just in moderation, and I'm trying to eat more veg and fruit and fruit and protein. So that's how it's starting. So I just walked to my gym. Yeah, as I said, I just walked to my closest gym. So this is the gym I go to usually when the gym used to be open. Obviously now I'm in tier 4, so I'm not allowed to go to any gym. So that's what I decided to do. I decided to do the walking. So I'm trying. My aim is to do about 10,000 to 12,000 steps a day. Oh my gosh, it's raining. So obviously this is in UK. It started to rain just now. But so my aim is to do about 12 to 10,000 steps a day. So I'll try to do this every day by walking for about an hour or a little bit longer, depending how long it takes me to do the steps. And also it's the new diet. So I just wanted you guys to follow me on this journey. I am wet. So it doesn't matter even if it's raining, it's snowing, whatever the weather, I still have to achieve my steps daily. So this is why I'm here on the rain to do my challenge. But this one. Yeah, so now I'm gonna walk back home, and I was gonna have a snack, so I might do that. I've already had breakfast, and my breakfast was just one egg and one bacon and one slice of wholemeal bread. I'm trying to lose weight because what happened during the lockdown, I've gained 10 kilos. I know it's crazy, but literally I've gained 10 kilos, and it's not just that I want to lose weight, but I feel a lot more lethargic and just lazy. So I just wanted to do something to feel better within myself. So it's not really about losing weight, it's more to be more active, which is actually good for your health and for your mental health as well. So which is why I'm doing that. So yeah, sorry guys, it's raining really bad, so I'm gonna walk home and then I'll show you guys what snack I'm gonna have, and then I'm gonna make dinner tonight, and I'll show you again what dinner I'll have. So this day will be mainly just following my diet and my walk. Okay, see you later guys. My shoes are so wet. I'm literally hiding under the bridge now because of the rain. The one time I decided to go for a walk, or when I start doing this challenge, that's the day it's gonna start raining. It's so annoying. And I've still got half an hour left to get home, and it's raining really bad, really hard. Last struggle. Okay, go. Hopefully my phone doesn't die. Getting wet. I'm gonna try and walk a little bit faster so I don't get drenched. Well, I'm already drenched, but yeah. So I'm home. It was a nice walk, but you're so wet. I'll show you what it looked like. This is me with my hoodie, and bear in mind that my jacket was closed, but look at my jacket, look how wet it is. My hoodie is drenched. The things we do, hey. I'm just gonna go have a shower, wash my hair, and chill, and have a snack. So yeah, have a shower, wash my hair, and have a snack. The weather. I don't even know if you can tell if it's raining, but hold on. Open the window. Can you tell? Yeah. British weather, hey. British weather. So for snack, which is snack time now. So it's snack time now. Don't mind my onesie because I'm at home. I'm gonna be comfortable. I'm gonna braid my hair, so don't mind my hair either. But for snack, I'm gonna have some popcorn. I'm gonna have this one, popcorn, and sweet and salty because I don't really just plain salty anymore. So I'm just gonna have those, and then I'll I'm just gonna have like 28 grams. Recommended like amount for 126 calorie, and then I'm gonna seal the rest of the packet and have another day for another day. So yeah, and then I might also have like either banana or some mandarin as an extra little snack, because as I said, I will have as much a lot more fruits and a lot more veggies in my diet, just because I never used to have as much. And obviously like having more veggies and more fruit doesn't really like give you, I mean they add to the calories count, but they're not like bad calories if you don't have too many fruits. So that's what I'll do. I'll probably have like either banana or mandarin, as I haven't had any fruit so far yet. So now I'm just gonna have some popcorn. So what I'll do, I'll have like just what it says here, 126 calories. So that's like a small bag. So and then I'm gonna measure it. So a small bag, it's about 28 grams. So I'm just gonna measure it, 28 grams. Oh god. On a bowl. Maybe I need a bigger bowl. Oh no. Okay. Oh gosh, one more. So about 28, yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna have for dinner, it's just some sauce. So I'll make all of them, but obviously it's not just me eating. So I'll make some sausages, and then I'm gonna have some veg, some peppers and some carrots. And all I'll do, I'll just put them in the oven, spray a little bit of oil, and that's it. I'm not going to add any extra, like a lot of oil, because I don't think I need. And that's why I like to do it in the oven, because then I don't need to use as much oil. I'm gonna probably just season the veggies a little bit, because I don't like to eat plain food. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, and then I'll show you the end result. But that's how I'm really eating right now. Just mainly veg, as I said, and fruits and meat. I'm trying to eat protein. I'm just trying to add as much protein as I can in my meals, because it's actually good for weight loss and maintaining quite a healthy lifestyle. So yeah, any meat really. I'm not vegetarian, so any meat I have that. And if I do eat carbs, I'll need, like, it will be just like a very small bit. Like, I'll show you, because I might have a little bit of rice, and I'll show you the portion of my rice. But yeah, that's how I try to. Hopefully there'll be some result. I'll show you what it looks like. But as I was showing you as I was cutting it, I always season my veggies and I always season my meat. So yeah, as soon as everything is ready, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is my dinner plated. So yeah, 2 sausages, veggies, and then I'm gonna have a little bit of rice, which is literally like it's not a lot, just a little bit. So that's gonna be my dinner. And then for the dessert, I'll have like one of these mug cakes here, but I'm gonna change the ingredients a little bit so that I'm having less calories. But yeah, that's pretty much my dinner for tonight.